All right, back to this one. What is the average force required to bring a 5,000 kilogram car to rest from a speed of 100 kilometers per hour within a distance of 55 meters?
Do the same thing?
Well, here's the thing. We would like to use F equals ma. And you'll notice that we do have the mass, but we do not have the acceleration. And so we're going to have to use the other information to find the acceleration. So I'll do that work over here on the right. What is our car's speed at the beginning of the story?
Oh wait, that? 100 kilometers an hour.
Each day permission is to
Okay, thank you.
tomorrow.
All right.
Sir, once we turn 18, can we sign our own permission slips?
I don't know. I don't know what the law is here. All right, back to the question. What is the initial velocity? Okay, 100 kilometers per hour. So V sub 0 is 100 kilometers per hour. However, these units are not going to work for us. We need to convert those to meters per second. And how do I do that? Yes. So 27 point, we'll say 78 meters per second. All right, Jovan, what's the final velocity?
Is it, wait. Is it 7.78?
Final.
Oh, to rest, 0.
0, okay. And Lawrence, what else do we know? There's one more piece of information.
Distance?
Okay, that took place over a distance of 55 meters. We have a formula that ties the velocities and distance all together along with acceleration. It's the one that we've actually used quite a bit. If I were in your place and you have not memorized the formulas, what I would recommend is make yourself a note card and just compile a list and keep that handy so whenever you're working problems you can just pull it out and look up the formulas. So plug all this in. 0 is equal to 27.78 squared plus 2a times 55. What do you get?
27.78 equals to 771.7. Oh wait, why?
Right. I got 7.
Which one seems reasonably true? Your answer?
Let's double check.
I got 7.
Square it. Take it to the other side. Divide by 2. Divide by 55. Actually, we all have been just slightly careless. It's negative 7 meters per second squared.
Yeah, so
It will be negative because this is going to come to the left-hand side. And that actually makes sense because the car is stopping, right? So it should be a negative acceleration. All right, now that we have acceleration, we can go back and finish the problem. So 1500 is the mass. Acceleration is -7. So
negative 10,500. Negative 10,000 per hour.
yeah, basically about 10,500 newtons. And the negative sign in this case is telling us that the force is against the direction of motion. It's opposite the direction of motion. Which again makes sense because you're trying to stop the car, so you're pushing against it.
That's the final answer.
That is the final answer. All right, your turn. The next one.
Is it 75? Alright.
You need a calculator?
Did you get 75? 18? Sorry. Oh, shoot, I didn't even see that.
Well, that's because I had it turned off.
Oh.
I can do this wonderful thing. I can freeze that, and then you don't see what's going on.
Oh, wait, I can see it freeze. That's
Kinda
so
handy.
cool.
Pretty
Can
handy.
you put your hand there and then freeze it and then just move your hand away or no?
I could,
Really?
yes.
What?
A little scary, isn't it?
You freak out people, they're like, and then like, what? Your hands are in the.
All right, try the next one.
Oh no, because Hannah already knows the secret. And say we should do it when she gets back.
All right,
Oh, but that doesn't work on the camera though, right?
No.
It only works on the projector.
only the projector. This time you are looking for the mass. You're given the force and the acceleration.
Please. See your hand. Oh yeah, I got it right too. How many decimals or numbers after decimals, sir?
Kind of match what is in the problem is how I would recommend you do it. There are specific rules, but in this class I don't focus on that because I want you to learn the physics and not get bogged down in rules of significant digits. Alright, so what did you come up with?
115.2 kilograms.
How much?
115. 115.
Okay, that seems plausible since I don't have my calculator anymore. I'll take your word for it. If somebody gets a different answer, please.
Julie, what'd you get? She got the same thing.
Okay.